What is coin burning? What does it mean to burn a coin? And what is the benefit of coin burning in cryptoland? Let's find out in today's video. Welcome back to Silver Coin. I'm glad you're able to join me today. Today, we're going to use the Binance Coin BNB to explain coin. Many tokenomics initiatives include a deflationary mechanism. For the most part, this is accomplished by a process known as token burn. So when you hear deflationary in crypto, it means reducing the number of coins in circulation, and most times they achieve this by token burn. Binance is without a question one of the most well-known industry player in removing parts of its native crypto, that is the BNB, and how they do this has evolved over the course of its 5-year existence. As of now, the Binance exchange, has burned billions of dollars worth of BNB in order to reduce the token's total supply by half. So this video will delve into how the procedure works, that is the coin burning, how many burns have occurred, and what is the next burn going to occur. So what is a coin burn? In cryptoland, what does coin burning mean? The term burning refers to the process of withdrawing a coin from circulation by sending it to addresses that can only accept cryptocurrencies. These email addresses are known as burners or eaters. In conventional finance, the closest equivalent to a coin burn is when a business repurchases its own stock from the market in an effort to lower the circulating supply and hence boost the value of the outstanding shares. The fundamental distinction, however, is that the repurchased share stays in existence and in the control of the corporation. But the burnt coins, in this case in cryptoland, the burnt coins are effectively destroyed because they cannot be accessed again. So several significant projects have adopted burning mechanisms, including the Shiba Inu. It was introduced in April of this year, 2022. And SafeMoon also does coin burn. Ethereum with the EIP 1559, and then numerous algorithmic stable coins also have adopted coin burning. So the BNB's role and how it started. Using the BNB as an example, BNB is the native cryptocurrency of the world's largest cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, and the principal token utilized throughout the Binance's entire ecosystem. So including the BNB Beacon chain, which was formerly known as Binance Chain, and the BNB Smart Chain, formerly known as Binance Smart Chain. So now we just have the BNB Beacon chain. So the BNB coin was released with the exchange in 2017. BNB first operated as an ERC-20 token on the Ethereum network until Binance finally migrated it to the BNB chain. The white paper revealed that there was initially a tight restriction of about 200 million BNB coins or tokens, an amount that would never be exceeded. In spite of this, the corporation detailed the burning method in a document stating, and the quotes, in quotes, "Every quarter we will utilize 20% of our revenues to buy back BNB and destroy them until we have purchased 50% of all BNB. That is 100 million BNB tokens. All buyback transactions will be disclosed on the distributed ledger. So we will finally eliminate 100 million BNB, leaving 100 million BNB in circulation." Quote close. Introducing the BNB quarterly auto burn. So when Binance first started, the team came up with the original quarterly burning mechanism based on the volume of BNB trades and the fees that Binance made from them. But because it wasn't clear enough or predictable enough, the company decided to change it to a quarterly auto burn. And then the new method was put into place in December of 2021, just last year. So based on the price of the token and the number of blocks made on the BNB chain during that quarter, automatic calculations can be done on chain to figure out how much of it needs to be burned. So basically, if the price of BNB goes down, more tokens will be burned to keep the supply and demand in balance. Binance says that the quarterly auto burn is both objective and verifiable, independent of revenues generated on the Binance exchange through the use of BNB. So Binance's initial plan was to burn 100 million tokens and cap the overall supply of Binance Coin at the same number. That is, they burn 100 and they leave 100. But they had to make adjustments along the road. The business detailed innovative techniques, that expedite the BNB burning. The BEP95 added a real-time burning mechanism to the BNB chain in November of 2021. It permits the smart contract to burn a percentage of validators' block gas costs, which produce an average at every 3 seconds. So more BNB will be burned as more individuals use the network. A Twitter account that tracks the number of BNB burned indicates that as of July 2022, which was the last burn, that an average rate of burn is 285 each day. So the BEP95 burning will continue even after 100 million tokens are burned, as it depends on the BNB chain network. So how many BNB tokens have been burned so far? Binance wants to reduce the circulating supply by 50%, like we already stated, and the firm has also performed 20 scheduled quarterly auto burns. So far they have burned 20 times. So the burning is a term used in crypto circles, of course, to describe taking out a certain amount of tokens out of circulation. So such moves make tokens like BNB more valuable for holders as supply is decreased. So the lesser the BNB, the more valuable the BNB coins that are already in circulation will become. That is the whole essence of all this. So the latest, based on Binance's quarter 2 2022, so the latest burnt 1.9 million BNB tokens, and at the time of burning, the price was around 200, 300 and something. So a total of 444 million BNB tokens were destroyed. So after the last burn in July of 2022, we have a little under 39 million BNB tokens burned so far. So as of the time of this video, which is August of 2022, approximately 39 million BNB tokens have been burned. And now we have about 161 million BNB tokens still in circulation. Remember, about 200 was initially released. So after quarter 3, after the next burn, which will take out about more than 2 million BNB tokens in circulation, then we'll have less than 161 left. So that's coin burning in a nutshell, and that is how the Binance exchange burns their BNB coin. If you find the information useful, if you found this information useful, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for joining me, and until next time, keep learning. Take care. Bye.